cryptos prepare for a volatile movement. Before you dive into Binance Futures weekly report, please note that we have launched exclusive promotions to give away up to 300,000 billion United States dollars, 199 limited edition NFTs, and more rewards for new and returning users. We invite you to celebrate Binance Futures' 3rd anniversary, so register here to confirm your participation. Bitcoin remains stagnant. Bitcoin closed on Sunday, September 25, at $19,168, as it continues to consolidate around a crucial support area. From a technical perspective, BTC is gaining strength to rise and test the 200-week moving average at $23,000. Still, whether a break or rejection could come around this critical resistance barrier. A weekly candlestick close above the 200-week moving average could trigger a new uptrend toward the 50-week moving average at $35,000. On the other hand, failing to overcome this obstacle may serve as a sign of weakness that encourages profit-taking and sends Bitcoin back to the $19,000 support level. The ambiguous outlook can also be perceived in known cryptocurrency exchange wallets. Indeed, the number of BTC tokens flowing in and out of these addresses appears to have stabilized. Balance on exchanges remained flat over the past week at around 2.40 million BTC. On Binance Futures, open interest for BTC USDT fluctuated significantly at the beginning of the week but closed on Sunday, September 25, at 120,221.27 BTC with a notional value of $2.27 billion. Roughly 67.34% of all accounts with an open position in BTC USDT were net long on this day, even though taker sell volume closed slightly higher than taker buy volume on September 25. The BTC BUSD and ETHW USD futures perpetual contracts had a negative week-over-week return of -2.58% and -3.41%, respectively. Meanwhile, the DEFI BUSD and BNB BUSD futures perpetual contracts yield week-over-week gains of 5.95% and 2.98%, respectively. Note: DEFI USDT is a composite index perpetual contract that consists of a basket of DeFi protocol tokens listed on Binance. It is calculated using weighted averages of DeFi tokens' real-time price on Binance and is denominated in USDT.